I really worked hard today. All of the ladies want a new dress for the supper at the governor's next week. The English adore fashion and want to wear the latest creations from London, not just anything. All of these beautiful fabrics that they appreciate, like silk or velour, well, they need to be imported from England because the only fabrics made here are wool and linen. The dresses have very high waist and puffy sleeves, but the bottom is very straight with no crinoline. The women also really like decorated hats with beautiful feathers. In fact, the new fashion is for dresses to have lots of ornaments like sewn silk flowers and lace to decorate them. Oh, the English gentlemen also appreciate luxury clothes. They adore suits with golden buttons, and they never go out without a hat. Of course, to buy all these clothes, you need to have money. Me, Marie Bourdieu, I dress in simple clothes made of wool and sometimes cotton. I normally wear a skirt and a blouse with an apron. Sometimes I also wear a shawl on my shoulders. But what I like the most about my clothes are my joyful ribbons of color. So my clothes are simple, but they are practical. My fiancé also wears simple clothes. Pants, a shirt, a hat. In winter, when it's cold, he also wears a wool coat with a skin belt to keep it well closed. And of course, we also have our good clothes for Sunday at church.